Good morning. Thank you, Ramona. Again, my name is Fox Holt. I'm the CEO of Orthogonal. So organic light-emitting diodes, OLEDs, are the ultimate display technology deemed by companies like LG, Samsung, Sony. Other than the great benefits you see in the little video here, compared to LCDs, they are 4 times more energy efficient, and they have better viewing characteristics in every single category. All right, so the display industry has been trying to produce OLED TVs for about a decade now. They're having one main problem, and that's the ability to pattern red, green, and blue pixels. The closest they've come to producing a TV is this 15-inch display. Fairly small display, and they're selling it for a staggering $2,500, and they're selling it for a loss. Orthogonal has a solution, a chemical, more specifically a photoresist, which will enable them to use their current infrastructure to manufacture OLEDs. I'll repeat that, their current LCD manufacturing infrastructure to produce OLEDs. As I said, the main problem they're having is the patterning of the red, green, and blue pixels. And so with LCDs, they use a process called photolithography. If you know a lot about electronics manufacturing, you know photolithography has been the standard way to make electronics for at least 20 years, more like 50 years. So they've got a big infrastructure in this, and they really understand it. However, the chemicals used in photolithography destroy the organic materials in OLEDs. And so Orthogonal, through 5 years' worth of research at Cornell University, top professors, and over $1 million of National Science Foundation grants, have developed a new photolithography chemical system, again a photoresist, which is both compatible with organic light-emitting diodes and the photolithography infrastructure in place today. And looking at the market for this product, there's 2 important points. One, LCD photoresist market is $1.2 billion today. The second point is organic displays or organic light-emitting diodes are only a subsegment of the overall organic electronic class that orthogonal technology can enable. So there's organic photovoltaics, organic RFID, e-readers, a lot of different organic electronics that we can help manufacturers produce using their current infrastructure. So looking at the competitive processes to make these organic electronics, and specifically OLEDs, Orthogonal's solution, again, uses photolithography. And so we are able to stand on the shoulders of 50 years of innovation and the fact that they currently have this infrastructure. So things like the accuracy, the resolution, the lifetime, well, the lifetime is the key to Orthogonal's technology. Shadow masks are used today in order to manufacture OLEDs, and that's because the lifetime of the devices lasts the longest compared to the other processes. Other processes damage slightly the organic light-emitting diodes. Orthogonal's technology doesn't do that as well. So looking at our business model and the value chain, we will sell this photoresist, this chemical, to the electronics manufacturers. Again, 2 important points in this slide is, 1, we've got 2 very important, powerful groups who want us to succeed. Photolithography equipment manufacturers are very large and want to continue to manufacturing electronics using their techniques. So they want us to succeed. Organic electronic materials manufacturers also want us to succeed. They're not selling a lot of materials right now because there's not a good way to manufacture them. And also the important point is, other than the retailers, we're in projects with or deep negotiations, or not negotiations, discussions with everybody on this presentation. So we are being pushed in by these value chain partners and being pulled in by the customers. The current business management team is myself, CEO. I've got business development and sales experience, a little finance experience, investment banking in Morgan Stanley. I've got my recent experience is in electronics materials company, another startup, selling with the same challenges to very similar customers. My CTO He's a co-inventor, has been working on this technology for 5 years, and he also has startup experience. We've got great advisors. Mark Thirsk has got about a decade of experience selling photoresists, developing new photoresist businesses at Rahm & Haas, a heavyweight in the photoresist industry. Also, Mark Wilner is a spectacular resource in the fact that he's really connecting us, and he's got a great Rolodex of clients, or of people in the display industry. The sales, we are actually selling the product now, and we expect sales to be around $35 million in 2014. 2014 will be about 27 employees. In conclusion, we've raised about $420,000 to date. We're looking for a $2.5 to $5 million Series A right now, and with that money we will sign a joint development with one of the large manufacturers, and we'll scale the photoresist. We need about $10 million till we're cash flow positive. I'm in booth 510. Please come over and ask questions. There's a lot more to talk about than 6 minutes will allow. Thank you.